the planter boxes I purchased were by Divine Dev, and I found these on Amazon. I got a pack of 6, so they came in one whole box, and I just kept pulling stuff out of the box. Okay, so now I'm getting into assembling the Divine Dev planter, and this was actually pretty simple. I'm not gonna lie, I have newfound anxiety, and I've been pushing this off for quite a few days, and in a result of that, my plants started to suffer, and you'll see that coming up. But here I am just quickly assembling this. This is me out back now with my planters assembled. I'm going ahead and put some Pro Mix in there. It took two bags of Pro Mix for the 6 planters. This is me planting in my zucchini here. Adding some more Pro Mix and some Mater Magic. My green babies are something that I could never be ashamed of showing off. So I'm just going to go ahead and show y'all the little roundabout of my corn and my sunflowers. Yes. I'm so proud of myself.